Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you are stressing because you can't get a loan from your bank or credit union to help get rent paid or pay other utilities or get your car fixed, I'm going to show you two lenders that may be able to help you. But first, I want to show you all that you can go to the U.S. Department of Treasury, okay, and you can click on Find Rental Assistance. And so when you go here, as you can see, they have a line called the Contact 211. All right. And what it does, it helps find assistance for you to help pay your rent and utilities. All right. So this is the first resource. Now, the second resource is through the U.S. Department of Housing. They have rental assistance as well. Okay. And so even for your local, like rental help in your state, you can click on that and you just click on your state, like say that you're in Arkansas. Then what happens is when you click on Arkansas, it'll tell you all the places you can go to get help to pay your rent, all right, and utilities, all right. So you have another resource, and this is what I continue to tell people. If you are working a job, okay, you're a W-2 employee, then what you need to do is go to your HR department. And when you go to your HR department, you need to file exempt for 3 to 4 months. That's going to stop them from taking out federal taxes from your check. Okay. Now, there's only two rules that would stop you from getting to file your exempt. All right. And so that's only if you owe no federal income tax in the prior year and you expect to owe no federal income tax. So if you know that you don't owe any taxes, you don't expect to owe any taxes, you can file exempt. All right. So those are the only two reasons that you would not be able to claim exempt. Now, for those of you that are veterans or you have family members that may have had a loss or something like that, you can go to Veterans Affairs, the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, and they have unclaimed funds search. All right. And it can be for life insurance, it can be for other things. But most of the time, when you go here, if you're a veteran or you're a family member uh, of a veteran that has passed, you can go here and see if there's any unclaimed insurance policies and things of that nature. All right. Then you also, and this is my favorite, I always tell people anybody can go here. This is unclaimed.org. Okay. And so when you go here to unclaimed.org, you're going to click on find and claim. And this is a free site. That's the reason it's free. It's a government site. And if the government is holding or the state is holding any money of yours, what it'll do is once you fill out all the information, they'll send that money out to you. All right, so that's a real good resource. Then you have another one. You may have worked a job in the past and you didn't get all of your money, or you didn't get your last paycheck, or you may have moved to a new state, all right, and you know that you didn't receive your last paycheck, or you was expecting a bonus but never received that money. Then what you can do here is go here. This is webapps.departmentoflabor.gov, and you put the company name and you put the state, and then what it'll do, it would actually filter out, and then you'll put your name and you can put in a claim for any outstanding wages that's owed to you. Okay, I just wanted to give you some free resources. Now, these loans that I'm talking about, please keep in mind these are aggregated systems, and what you do, you just put your information in and they will shop your information around to help you find a loan. Now, here's the thing about it with Zippy loans, their loans go from 500 up to $15,000. Okay, so you choose how much you want to try to apply for, and they will shop it around. Now, please keep in mind the lenders that they are dealing with more likely are going to have much higher interest rates than the bank or credit union. All right, then you have another lender, and that's SpeedyNet Loans. All right, and so with SpeedyNet Loan, they offer emergency cash loans from 500 up to $5,000. All right. And so again, you'll put your information in and they will shop it around. But one of the things that you need to know about these here lenders is they won't do a hard pull on your regular credit file. They're going to use the third party credit bureaus, financial credit bureaus. So like Teletrack. So you would Teletrack, they're owned by Equifax. So what that means is that if you ever taken out a loan online or anything, Teletrack keeps that data and then they sell it back to those lenders. All right. So Teletrack is one. Data X is also one that's owned by Equifax. And again, all of your rental information, loans, all of that stuff, they have this information. And yes, you can get a copy of your report to see exactly what's on your report, to see if there's anything that you can actually fix. All right. Now, you also have Lexus Nexus. Now, Lexus Nexus is the gatekeeper of all information. They're the ones that are selling your information to the credit bureau when you're trying to do a challenge on your credit report. So, one of the key things I always tell people, one of the biggest things that I always tell people, the reason that you may get denied for a loan, I don't care what it is, I don't care what your credit score is, it has nothing to do with the credit score. It's the address, okay? Because these systems, they database old addresses. And if you move to a new place and you put that new address on the application, but the old address is with one of these credit bureaus, that will cause you to get a denial. So it may not have nothing to do with your credit, okay? It's because of the address. So that's one of the bigger factors. Now, you also have Factor Trust. Factor Trust is owned by TransUnion, all right? And so you can get your credit file, your financial credit file, see what's on it. You can dispute things as well. Now, there's one other credit bureau, and this is Clarity. Okay, it's a financial credit bureau as well, and it's owned by Experian. All right. Now, like I said, this is the main reason why a lot of people they end up getting denied. All right. So that's how you actually find out if you're going to qualify for a loan or not. You get your financial credit reports and see what's on them. See what's happening so there may be an old address and then not because of your credit itself. It's just that address. Now, there's one other hack I want to tell you guys. If you have a Home Depot card or you have a family member with a Home Depot card, what you can do, you can go to Home Depot and you can get some toiletries and you can grab a few um, Visa gift cards, and you can transfer those Visa gift cards over to your Cash App or your Venmo or PayPal. And that way you will have money, or just keep it as a Visa gift card and use those Visa gift cards, or use it, transfer the Visa gift card. You possibly can buy a money order with it. Some will let you do it, some don't. It just depends. But using that money instead of getting one of these high interest rate loans, this may be an option for you. So I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next video.